These are the little messes I keep putting off. Today, I'm stopping them before they get worse. Welcome to my nest. I'm really glad you're here. Let's just do some small things together today. We're starting easy. Just putting last night's clean dishes away and washing a few from later that night. Nothing overwhelming, just a gentle reset. The kettle needs some love today, so I'm pouring vinegar in to descale it. It'll sit for a while we keep going. These boxes have been waiting too long. Folding them up helps keep the clutter down. Small steps like this make a difference. Time to check on the kettle again.
She cleans her home with so much love. Every little task a gentle hug. The kitties watch as she goes, inspecting the bags in rows. With patient hands she folds and cares, turning chores to quiet prayers. From curtains bright to counters clear, she makes her space a home so dear. Through gentle steps, she finds her peace. In every corner, worry cease. This nest she tends, both strong and true, a home made warm by all she'll do.
As I was showing you earlier, these pretty curtain holdbacks are magnetic and work really well to keep the curtains open. And I love anything that sparkles. I also love letting natural light fill the room. It freshens everything up. Taking a moment to notice small things reminds me how grateful I am for you, my viewers. No matter what you're facing, small steps add up, and being kind to yourself matters most. Keep shining and know you're appreciated. Do you have any small chores you're tackling today? Let me know below. And now, the best part. Watch the clutter disappear, little by little. Proof that small efforts really add up. A little while later, the kettle's ready now. Just rinse and wipe clean. Simple maintenance that makes a difference. The ice maker's been wiped out and filled with a mix of vinegar and water. Now it's ready to run its cleaning cycle to keep everything fresh and clean. Vinegar again. When I was putting away the grocery delivery, I noticed the fridge liners were looking a bit dirty. Since I'm already tackling all this cleaning today, I figured I'd get those done too. The recycling bag was full, so I took it out and put a fresh one in. Keeping up with little chores like this helps keep the flow going. No matter how much you got done today, a lot, a little, or even none, You showed up, and that's what matters most. Every small effort counts. No matter how your day went, remember to take good care of yourself. Thanks for spending time in my nest today. From my nest to yours, I'll see you in the next one. And finally, here's something to eat. A little reward for all of my efforts. I love French vanilla shake, so I just had the grocery delivery bring me that. Yum yum.